Hello everybody, I'm Sammy from CheatWare.net, and today I would like to introduce to you iGameGuardian, an awesome game hacking app for iOS devices that allows you to get more gems, gold, money, health, whatever you have in your iOS games. As always, you can get this app at the link in the description below or at CheatWare.net. Just Google CheatWare and you'll be able to find it very easily. Go to iGameGuardian or go to the Apple iOS section and then go for iGameGuardian, and there you will find instructions on how to install this app. Without further ado, let's go to some footage of this actually working. Alright, so once you got iGameGuardian installed on your device from the link in the description below, you simply need a game that has some values that you can change or hack as you will. In this case, we have our food that is at 100, as you can see at the upper right corner right now. We already hacked our monies, which is why we have that much money. Also because we are awesome, of course. So this is a cat game. All you do is you start your iGameGuardian, you go to select target, and then you select the game, in this case cat room, that you want to attach iGameGuardian to and change some values in. Then you go to number and you enter the value that you're looking for, set the value type to auto, and search for it. This might take a little while. As for the value types, if you don't know exactly what kind of integer or float value it is that you're looking for, auto will usually find all the values that there are. So that is always the recommended option. As you can see, it has come up with 500,000 results. If we were to change all of these 500,000 results, we would crash the game for sure, so we need to narrow down that list. We do that by going back into the game and buying some things for our cat in order to change the food value at the upper right corner, alright, so that we can then scan for the values that have changed in order to narrow down the list of values, memory values available to us, to figure out which one is the real one and therefore be able to hack that one. So we just bought something for 30 food. We go back into iGameGuardian and we go to number again. We set it to auto. We entered a new value, in this case 70. Whatever kind of value you have, if it's your health, your skill points, whatever, do something in game to change it. Come back, scan for it again. Now we are down to 131 values from 500,000, so that's a good progress, but we still need to narrow it down a little bit more, since changing 131 values will still most likely crash the game. So we go back into the cat game and we buy a little something for our little furry friend, so that he feels a lot more comfortable and happy in his little cat room. So we buy him a mirror so that he can, narcissistically stare at it and see how cute he is. So our food is now at 55, and we can basically go back into iGameGuardian, tap back into iGameGuardian, go for number again, and scan for the new value that is 55. Again, auto search value, 55, and search for the number. And there we go. Now we've narrowed it down to one singular value. We can now save that memory location and change the value afterward. Okay, now for certain games, for certain values, you might come up with more than one value. You might have 2 or 3 or 4, maybe even 6, and you might have to change them all. In this case, it's only 1. That is the ideal case, but in your case, it might be more. I would never change more than 10 at a time. So we saved the value as food, and now we're changing it from 55 to 1,000, I think. Yes, there we go, at 1,000, and we just save that, and then at the right you can enable a value freeze, which means that the value will not be allowed to change from 1,000, which is what we're doing right now. And that is essentially how you hack games on your iOS device using iGameGuardian. It's a very, very simple process. There's also fuzzy search. Fuzzy search searches for values by smaller, bigger, unchanged, and so on. You can experiment with that. If you want to learn some more about game hacking, there's also videos on that subject on my channel as well, if you want to learn that. This only works on offline games. Online games will have values stored on the servers, so that will be a lot harder. And that, my friends, is how you use iGameGuardian to hack iOS games. Now, if you're looking for alternatives to this that do not require a jailbroken device, because obviously, as this is a game hacking tool, this will require a jailbroken device in order to be installed and used, I do recommend hackerbot.net. On hackerbot.net you will find an awesome search engine that only searches for cheats on legitimate cheating websites. You can get there by simply going to your local search engine, entering hackerbot, and you will be able to find hackerbot.net, and then go to find cheats right here, and that is the search engine right here. Now the good thing about this thing is that you can skip all the fakes, the fake mods, the fake iOS mods, fake hacks, fake generators, fake whatever, all the spam and the survey scams, the human verification scams, and so on. This search engine will only search for the cheats that you are looking for among legitimate cheating websites that have actual cheats. So if someone goes on these websites and is like, oh, I have a generator for unlimited girlfriends in real life, he will just get banned, because obviously that is impossible. So how this will work is you just enter your game, now for example Clash of Clans, and then if you are on iOS you would obviously go for mod iOS, for example, or if you're on Android, go for mod APK or whatever, and there you will be able to find legitimate mods for your iOS games. Also works for PC, Android, any kind of platform, even consoles. Anyways, guys, you can find this at hackerbot.net. Awesome search engine for legitimate cheats. And thanks you guys for watching. I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys next time.